Mga buddy, another day, another quick house tour, kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Kung naghahanap ka nga ng low down payment minimalist house na malapit sa Manila and airport for as low as 7,000 monthly DP at expanded na ito, kaya naman may floor area tayo na 58 square meters, kaya naman meron kang enough space para sa ating minimalist living, dining at kitchen area. May 2 toilet and bath at may provision for 3 bedroom. Ang lot area nito ay 44 square meters, kaya naman may provision tayo for 1 carport at service area na magagamit mo as extension ng inyong kitchen. Makakalis ka nga dito buddy pagdating sa home expansion dahil expanded na ang ating unit. Bare finish turnover, kaya naman makakustomize mo ang interior design ng inyong property. Located ito sa Tansa, Cavite and approximately 8 to 10 minutes drive going to Robinson General Trias. Kaya naman buddy, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!